Nice warm fire going. Sitting here, staying warm. Wow. Meanwhile, outside. Oh man, the snow is stuff I pushed off of the balcony. Oh my goodness. What I've been saying is the epic winter. There's probably 6 or 8 inches more from when I did it earlier today.
Which was when?
Oh, I don't know, about 2 hours ago maybe.
Okay, wow.
Whoa, man. This is something else. Good exercise anyway. Tomorrow's the first day of March. We normally don't have this kind of weather this late in the year. Boat down there. You can kind of see on top of the pump house there how much snow. There's probably a good foot of snow on top of the pump house, and it's still coming down. See some tracks in the snow that animals have been going through. That's a pretty good track over there. I don't know if that might have been a bear. I think the bears are starting to wake up, but they may be a little early considering the weather. Looking down there, that table down there that's got a lot of snow on it. Looks like maybe a couple of feet of snow on that one. Well, here's our balcony. Kind of get down low, you can kind of see it's pretty deep. I haven't shoveled this. This is all accumulated since yesterday. See if I can get a measurement. Okay, it's about a foot. About a foot deep. Pretty light and fluffy, so it's going to be easy enough to shovel. Okay, I got the deck cleaned off. Didn't do the railing much. Kind of left some of it up there to accumulate so I can measure it. But I did clean off a spot there so I can measure what's accumulated since I cleaned it. The snow's pretty heavy. It's going to stack up pretty fast. So let's go down here. Next job I have is the driveway. Unfortunately, my snowblower being out of commission, this is probably the worst time for that to happen. So such is life. At least it's light and fluffy, so that's all good. So this is the before. There's my truck over there buried. And I'll show you the after. No, I'm not done by any means, but I've got a measuring tape. I'm going to measure some of this. I'm guessing about a foot here alongside the Jeep. Yeah, about 13 inches actually, all told. So that's since yesterday. This driveway was completely cleared off yesterday. So put a couple tracks down it. This is all new snow from yesterday and tonight and last night. Well, and this morning. It's been snowing like crazy this morning. Not quite as much here underneath this big cedar tree. It's a great big old cedar here. And it's caught a lot of the snow, which comes down in clumps. And I've already been standing under one of them when it came down. This is the thing that kind of pisses me off. The county road crew came through here and pushed all this snow up here in front of my mailbox. There's really nothing I can do. I don't have a snow blower that works, so that's probably 2.5 to 3, maybe 2.5 feet of snow that he's pushed up here. It wouldn't have took a whole lot of effort if he'd came around this way and pushed this all that direction. That wouldn't have happened. So I don't know what's going on with this county guy, but I'm not normally complaining about the county road plows. They do a pretty good job. They hardly ever block me in. Those vehicles are all completely blocked in, but you know, I don't care about that so much. But when they plug up the mailbox, that's it. I mean, it's going to take me a long time to dig all that out of there. And I don't know why they do that. So I think I might get a picture and send a picture to the county and complain about the plow operator, because it doesn't need to be this way. Oh boy, blizzard conditions. Blizzard warning today. This pretty much qualifies for that. Glad I'm not driving anymore. And I don't mind shoveling too much. I mean, it's good exercise. So just that mailbox thing, it kind of bugs me. That's enough for ranting for now. Yeah, got it done. It's quite a bit of big job. I had all the way down the driveway. I had to get the underneath the cedar tree is probably only 6 inches under there, but whew, man, it's quite the job. Wish I could say I did some of this with a snowblower, but it was all back breaking work. Now you can really see this pile of snow the snowplow operator left me. He left a big pile over here, which I added to, but he left a big pile over here. But this pile over here is the one that's going to completely block us off from getting any mail. I'm a little too tired right now to be dealing with it, but I pushed a little snow out here so when the person, I'm trying to be nice, comes along, they can push this right up against that pile. So help me if they push that back over here in front of my mailbox. I'm going to make a phone call to the county. As it is, I'm going to post some pictures online on Facebook about my mailbox being blocked. I'm a little perturbed, obviously. So there's probably on the road, I'm looking at maybe 6 inches, maybe a little less. Joyce's mailbox is completely socked in. Probably everybody on the street except for mine was open yesterday until this big old pile of stuff showed up, which should not be there. Anyway, all right, this is the big snow of last day of February. Actually, this has been happening for several days, so end of February storms. Definitely not a spring storm. So I like the snow. It makes everything pretty. But boy, is it a job to clean it up. Well, that's about the end of this video. Bye for now.